Pictory would like to thank Anna, Christian, Alexandru, and the sponsors for inviting us to the 2024 Tekpon Awards in Bucharest, Romania. Known as the Oscars of the Software as a Service World, the event was held in the famous Grand Hotel in the center of Bucharest. It brought several hundred founders, investors, and developers together for 2 days of networking and fun. We were serenaded by the very talented Anna Sebatari, bringing the house down with her haunting rendition of Time to Say Goodbye, originally made famous by Andrea Bocelli. The atmosphere was amazing, and there was a true sense of community, with everyone keen to help everyone else. Over food and drinks, new friendships and alliances were formed, many of which we are sure will last a lifetime. The following day, we were treated to lunch on the shores of the beautiful Lake Snagov. After, a speedboat took us on a tour of the lake, allowing us to take in the stunning views. In the evening, we met at a speakeasy bar called The Vault in the basement of the Marmaros Hotel for more networking. The Vault once stored valuables for Bucharest's rich and famous. It was a fitting venue to end a wonderful trip. I'm sure everyone will treasure their memories and deepen their newfound connections. Once again, a big thank you to all involved.